What is growing in our greenhouse? Stay with me and let's take a look. Today I wanted to make a quick video to show you just a few things we are growing in our new greenhouse. It is November and we are having some rather warm weather for this time of the year. However, everything seems to be vibrant in the greenhouse. I have some rosemary growing here. Rosemary is amazing for brain health and cognition. I have a smaller one growing just behind it. And then look over to the left, I have this large, amazing, beautiful basil plant. Now, basil isn't an annual in my area, but because it is in the greenhouse, it is growing and doing wonderfully well. Here you can see that it is going to seed, so I will take some of these tiny black seeds and save them so that I can plant basil in other areas on the homestead. And then in this raised bed, we have all kinds of different lettuces growing. I'm not sure of the name of each particular lettuce, but as you can see, they are doing exceptionally well. They have good leaves, they're really crunchy, and they taste so much better than what you can purchase in a grocery store. You can almost taste the lively nutrients, and I promise, one bite gives me so much energy. Now moving on to this raised bed, we have a bunch of bell pepper plants. Can you believe it is November and we are still harvesting bell peppers? I can't wait to grow tomatoes in the greenhouse next year. Most people don't realize that tomatoes can be perennial, but colder weather will cause them to die back. But since I want to grow them in the greenhouse, I may be able to have a fresh tomato slicer year-round. In this large pot, I have lemongrass growing. Lemongrass is a great ant deterrent, but it also has medicinal benefits including helping with cholesterol, anxiety, blood pressure, heart disease, cancer, and even digestion. Beside of the lemongrass, I have a coffee tree. It produces coffee, which can be a great pick-me-up when SHTF happens or used for bartering. You can see here the tiny berries. There are 2 seeds inside each berry, and those seeds are what is ground into what we know as coffee. On over here we have a banana tree. We almost lost it last year when it was left outside during a frost, but thankfully it is in a large pot and we moved it into the greenhouse and it is doing great. Beside of that, we have 2 Meyer lemon trees that are producing some wonderful lemons. Look at all those lemons. Let me tell you, if you have never smelled the flowers of a lemon tree, you are truly missing the most amazing and beautiful scent ever known to man. It is pure heaven in my nostrils. Then here we have the miracleberry tree. We did a video on this tree last year. If you haven't seen it, you should. This tree produces berries that you can eat, and then everything that you eat afterwards will taste sweet, even sour lemons. We still have some work to do in the greenhouse, but for right now, I think it is working out well. I really enjoy it. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.